Welcome to Rome Tips. If you enjoy this content, please subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using this product. Today we're taking a look at NeuraFlash AI, found at https://www.neurafusion.ai. This innovative platform offers a compelling suite of AI-powered tools designed to enhance productivity and streamline workflows. NeuraFlash.ai provides users with access to cutting-edge AI capabilities, enabling them to generate creative content, analyze complex data, and automate repetitive tasks. From what I've seen, NeuraFlash AI appears to be a powerful resource for anyone looking to leverage the power of artificial intelligence. Its user-friendly interface makes it accessible to both beginners and experienced AI users. Whether you're a content creator looking for inspiration, a business professional seeking to optimize operations, or a researcher exploring new frontiers in AI, NeuraFlash.ai has something to offer. The platform's diverse range of features allows users to tailor their experience to their specific needs. Exploring the website further reveals a focus on practical applications of AI. NeuraFlash.ai appears dedicated to providing solutions that address real-world challenges. The website highlights several key features, suggesting a commitment to staying at the forefront of AI innovation. They also appear to prioritize user experience, emphasizing the ease of use and accessibility of their platform. While I haven't had the opportunity to extensively test every feature of NeuraFlash.ai, my initial impression is positive. The platform's clean design and comprehensive documentation suggest a well-thought-out product. Further investigation is certainly warranted to fully explore the potential of NeuraFlash.ai and its diverse toolkit. I encourage you to visit the website and explore the possibilities for yourself. Remember to check out the links in the description for more information.